Hello everybody. Now we are discussing about the ray diagrams for ray diagrams drawing for magnification. Suppose magnification value given. For that how to draw ray diagram we will discuss. In previous video we have seen direct rules. Direct rules, m is greater than 1, m is equal to 1, m less than 1. How to draw ray diagram. So now we will take some examples and we will do. First one, magnification m is equals to 1. M is 1 plus 1. Here plus is there, so plus 1. M is plus 1. So according to the rule, when m is equals to 1, object, image at C, both are at C. According to rule number. Rule number 2, m is equals to 1. In previous video I have said. M is equals to 1. Means object image at same size both at C. So at C, object and image. So let's draw. This is the concave mirror, pole point, focus, center of curvature. Object at C. One ray is parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis, passing through the focus. One ray is parallel to principal axis, passing through focus. And second ray we can take from pole. At C is the measuring point. This is the ray diagram here. Big actually C is there and the line also not visible. At C and image is also at C only. Both are at the same side. This is point C, F, P. This is the ray diagram for the first example. So now we will take the second one. Second one, m is equals to plus 4. Plus 4, it is 4 greater than 1. Greater than 1 means enlarge. Enlarge is it. Image enlarge. In which position? Beyond C. Means object is between C and F. Object between C and F. Then we will get to enlarge beyond C now. For that we have to draw ray diagram here. This is the concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Object between center of curvature and focus. One ray parallel to principal axis and passing through the focus. Second ray passing through focus and gets parallel to the principal axis. Here they are both rays intersection happened. So yes, here this is the intersection point of the both rays. O dash I dash is the image. So this is the ray diagram for the magnification plus 4. Values are given. Just we have to see first it is greater than 1 or less than 1. We will get enlarged or diminished. Enlarged means image. Image is enlarged. Image is enlarged. Means image enlarged means where here image is enlarged means beyond C is the image. Object is between C and F. So this is simple. When we will get this enlarged. So now let's see the third example. M is equals to 0.5 plus 0.5. Here 0.5 is less than the 1. 0.5 is less than the 1. Less means diminished. Diminished. Object object, where is the image will get? Image is diminished. Where? When an object is beyond C. Beyond C, if it is an object, then image is between C and F. Between C and F is image. So let's draw the ray diagram. This is a concave mirror. Focus. Principal axis pole point P. Focus and center of curvature. Object beyond C. Parallel to principal axis passing through focus. Second ray. Passing through center of curvature. Here I dash. O dash is the object. So this is the ray diagram for the m is equals to plus 0.5. So ray diagrams, if they give the magnification values like this, we have to draw the ray diagrams. If m is a plus 1, which type of mirror? I can ask. Mirror is plane mirror. It is one of the plane mirror. Has same size. Image is same size and how also I will show now. Here plus indicates the image, height of image. M is a magnification is equals to plus 1. Which type of mirror they love? It is plane mirror. Plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Plane mirror. Object here. Same object will get same height. If object is 5 meter, image also 5 meter. So height of image. M is 1 with same size. Height of object is equal to height of image. Same size and image is also positive. So plane mirror. We get the doubt that or we may not get plane M is positive in concave mirror we get. If we keep object between F and P, we get a image beyond the mirror, then there is also positive. But then height of image is not equal to height of object. It is enlarged. So only plane mirror is possible. M is plus 1 means plane mirror is possible. This is the reason here. Here how to draw ray diagram for magnification we have discussed. Thank you.